Okay, so here's the car. It's parked indoors. I'll get it into sunlight, but here it's a little bit dusty. So I've just arrived to it, and I will start the engine when it's completely cold. And the locks work here. They didn't when I bought it. So here inside, open the hood. And there's your Weber carburetor, brand new. And I'll go to the other side for the engine. You can see here the engine. This compartment can be cleaned better. It just isn't, and I just haven't got around to that. But the whole engine is completely cold. Has all brand new cables for the distributor cap. Okay, cold, start it up. And I haven't started it at all, probably for over a week. So it starts up and it has a automatic choke. It just has to warm up. Okay, so that's how you bring the idle down. It's just the way they're put together in terms of getting it warmed up. You don't want to hop in this thing and turn it on and go, because that's not the way they were built. The way they were built to warm up and get really loose. Not a lot of good light in here, but you know, everything, all the interior panels, everything's in really great shape. So you can see now how that's purring. Now it's purring nice and smooth. Okay. 5-speed. You over the left, push it up. You see that diagram right there. Emergency brake off. There is no radio in here, so you always get to hear the purr of the engine. to a sunny place, walk around it with the video. Pretty quiet mall. They had it open, then they shut it down again. Just people just don't get it. They just stay home until this thing's over. I know it's not easy. And I've got 5 kids. They're all adults, but oldest is 35 and my youngest is 25, but they're doing just fine. Working, they're pretty good jobs, luckily. Alright, so look at that rocket from the, it was launched, came back to Earth. Alright, so turned it off. Has good solid doors, line up, had made sure of that. There's the sign on it, the number I told you. This I gotta do the lock the hood. Got a very clean paint job. Body work and everything was done on it to get it all straight and clean. I mean, it was straight, but there was some little minor dents. They did a good job, I think. Of course, these windows open up as well. You got the defroster in the back. Got your BMW lid cap. In the back here, inside, is locked. Here's your unlock. This is the key for the door, and this is the key for the back trunk. So only 2 keys. Like a little BMW key ring. Yeah. $16.99.
Holy shit. Do you take checks?
So here is the spare tire and the jack. Here, all painted, all clean. So there we go, it's all put together nice. That's a good car cover. The cap works nicely. So we just shut that down and lock it. And there, now it doesn't open. So new rims, aluminum alloy rims. again, I'm really impressed with the body that they put together. You know, prepped it before they painted it. Really done well. All new. All trim. All the trim is on it. Everything. The bumpers are a little bit rough, but you know, you can always change out the bumpers if you want to down the line. And this unlocks here. See that? Unlock. Open up. See inside the new carpet area here. There's books you got the BMW service book. You got your BMW 2002 US version, owner's manual, another US automobile BMW service owner's manual, and this is the book for the actual automobile 2002 model book for that. So everything's there for you. You got the seat belts in here. These seats are cool. They're rally seats. And the guy that I bought it from had those already in there. So that wasn't my doing, but you could put in stock seats if you want. Okay, so we'll start it up again, and we'll probably get a wet cloth and wipe it down. So put it in neutral, got the emergency brake on, and it works good. So we'll just take and start it up. One time only. Yeah?
Can I get your phone number real quick?
Yeah, sure.
How much would you take a down payment on it?
Yeah, sure. You know,
What's your number?
801 area code.
Okay.
403.
403.
4881.
4881. Okay, and do you have other cars that you're selling right now?
No, just this one.
Right,
I'm gonna move to Texas.
Okay,
so.
I'm calling you right now.
Okay, thanks. I was just here at the parking lot and some guy comes over to me and says, "Hey, I want to buy that from you." He says, "You take down payment?" So I'm not interested in a down payment. I just want to get paid. And the car is handed over and then we're done with the transaction. Pretty straightforward stuff. Okay, so, gosh, just a beautiful day. I know you have those too in Jamaica. The Cube. Yeah, I'll probably get something to eat and then I'll put it away. So I'll get this prepared and sent to you. Okay. So it's not noisy. It's got just a low idle. I sit here at the light, and got a van next to me that's more noisy than the car. It's got a good brand new muffler on it, so that's all new. And the miles that are showing on it, 66,000 miles. And those are original miles. Oh. This guy wants to get over. Wasn't acting fast enough. Now I will say the lighter doesn't work. I don't know, I think it's a fuse. Not important, I don't smoke. But that's the lighter. The defrost works. The horn did work and now it doesn't work, but it's just a fuse. Just little minor stuff. Yeah, you can get one of these cars perfect in tip-top shape, but they're going to cost you $30,000 to $35,000. So this has actually got a very affordable price on it.